would you feel if one day your mom becomes so stiff that she can't get out of the bed in the morning? Pain. That's how I felt 18 years ago. I am Dr. Smita Naram, global Ayurveda practitioner, and 18 years ago, suddenly one day, my mom, whose age was only 65 years, got completely stiff in the morning and she couldn't move. She tried a lot, this, that movement, and finally, after half an hour, she was able to move out of the bed. During the day, it was difficult to climb the steps. Slowly, she was not able to walk more than 10 minutes. Her knees and the legs were getting locked, and the whole body was feeling stiffness and heaviness. Knees were getting swollen. And one of the orthopedic doctors said this is grade 2 arthritis of the knees. My mom said, Smita, you are Ayurvedic doctor, help me. I don't want to do surgery of the knees. I don't want to take painkillers. And I want to remain active until I live on this planet. I said, yes mom, that's our specialty. Ayush Shakti is doing this for years and years. I am now working for 32 years. So that time it was already 14 years we helped so many people. I started Ayush Shakti's powerful, effective Arthrox program with the diet, stopping all kinds of wheat products, bread, pasta, everything from wheat, sour food, fermented food like tomato, lemon, vinegar, yogurt, and deep fried heavy food. She is vegetarian, otherwise I would have even stopped red meat. You will not believe me, friends. In 15 days of starting the diet and the herbal formulas, her inflammation on the knees went down. She was not feeling stiffness in the morning. I continued the Arthrox program with the diet, herbal formulas, few small treatments by herself, and some lifestyle changes. In 3 months, friends, she started walking normally at least for half an hour continuously without stopping. And she could climb steps easily without having any stiffness in her knees. I told her that you have to continue this for 1 year. We did the x-ray and it showed grade 2 arthritis. There were some osteophytic changes which means that the bones were degenerating and chipping off. And also her calcium and vitamin D was not going into the bones because bones were not nourished. So I focused on 3 things: inflammation reduction, bone nourishment, and improvement in the metabolism so that her natural calcium from the food and everything forms the bone. It reaches the bone and creates the bone. Today, it is now 18 years. She is 83 years of age and she walks 2 hours every day, going to the market, coming back. She takes huge amount of bags in her both hands. That is her strength. No pain, no stiffness, and she is cooking everything, doing everything in the home, completely active. If you have any problems like that, or if your parents have any problem like that and you are wanting to help them so that they remain active forever, grab this opportunity and contact Ayush Shakti doctors, take their consultation, and trust me, we will be able to help you, because my purpose of life is to improve your quality of life.